Hey guys, my name is Pastor King from Online Media Academy, and I'll be taking you through Canva, getting to know the interface of Canva, and in the upcoming videos I'll also be taking you through on how to make certain designs with Canva. So welcome to Canva. Today we are going to look at the interface, how Canva looks like. Now if you're using your mobile phone or you're using your computer, the concept is the same. Or the interface is the same. So majorly, once I've opened my Canva, this is how my home page looks like on Canva. So we have home. When you tap on home, that's where you see everything literally. Just below home, you find a project. Now projects, these are works that you've done before in Canva. If you've not done anything, you'll not have anything under projects. So projects, these are your previous works, what you've been doing in Canva. Then we have brand. These are more like a paid for plan. That's why you can see it says try it for free for 30 days. So this one involves you putting in some dollars. And then we have apps. These are now other applications outside Canva that can be linked or synced with Canva. For example, Shopify. You can scroll down just to see the other available applications, that one can acquaint with Canva. Then we have Dreamlab. Dreamlab is more of like the AI aspect of Canva. For example, it's saying, what will you imagine today? Let me say a girl with a basket on the head, And so when you say create, it will produce for you stuff. So this is what Canva does. So you see that AI, that's the AI in Canva. So back to our home interface, there is a search where you come to search for whatever you want to do, but below it they will also show you the possible things you can do. For example, an Instagram post, a YouTube thumbnail, a document, whiteboard, a presentation, a social media post, a video, website. So you just come in the search and type what you want. Maybe I want a quote, you say search, and then it will open for you different templates. Now right here, still below projects, templates, these are templates you can use to design whatever you want to design. But now when you look at these templates, they are templates which don't have anything on them. They are free templates. They are templates which are paid for. Now like this one, when you see this crown, it shows this is a pro. This is Canva Pro. And then you see, so I may want this, but I have to be subscribed to the Canva Pro. Now someone will be asking, what is Canva Pro? Just below here where your personal information is, where your profile pic is, when you scroll down, you'll find where it's saying plans and pricing. So on plans and pricing, they will show you the different packages Canva has. So Canva has Canva Free, which is for one person, and you don't pay anything. So it's $0. You use it, you can only use free templates, and then they will tell you the features it has just below it, 5 GB of cloud storage and all that. And then when you look at Canva Pro is $120, and it will also show you its specifications, has 1 TB of cloud storage and etc. And then we have Canva Teams. Now this one, you use it for your team. You pay $100 per person per year. So if you're 3 people, it gives a minimum of 3 people. So that is $300 per year, So you can look at that. Those are the different packages available, So also when you come up, when you come down where your profile pic is, the information there is design school. This is where you find information, tutorials for Canva. Canva has lessons for you that you can get to learn for yourself while on Canva. So you see, you can say getting started with Canva, new Canva features, presenting with Canva, create whiteboards with Canva, create websites with Canva, Canva Docs, Canva Pro. So it takes you through everything about Canva. So still, I'm going to go back to my home page on Canva. So still with Canva, we have talked about the templates. Whatever you want, you can just come and type it here, and then they will bring it for you. Maybe want Facebook banner design. So whatever you want, you just come and type it there, and they'll bring for you the templates. So you just tap the template and design. So I've talked about the sites, the home, the projects, the templates. I've also talked about the things that are below, that are just below here in your profile. Maybe something else that I need to talk about. Right below here on the settings, I've talked about the plans and pricing, the design school. Something for you to take note of are the referring friends. Now, most of these application softwares, sites do have affiliate programs here where you get to refer a friend and you earn a particular commission or a particular percentage when they make a transaction on that site. So when you click on refer, they will show you refer a friend and get rewarded. So you pick your referral code, you know. So here someone may be wondering, okay, what does this mean? If I'm to refer, what do I gain from it? What advantages does Canva give, which we may not look into right now? Yeah, so basically this is how the interface of Canva looks like. So every time you want to go back, just tap on home and it will take you back. So I've showed you the search button, I've showed you the items, the site settings. So anything you want, you will always find it on the interface. So that's how the Canva interface looks like. So by now you should be able to get started with using Canva. So that is it with today's class. So make sure that you subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment. Maybe you have some questions, you need some clarities, leave a comment in the comment section. Share the link with anyone in your circles that you know that needs to learn Canva. Otherwise, stay blessed. Shalom, shalom. See you in the next class.